Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a QUINETIC Wi-Fi Receiver Controller for like LED light systems, and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset on the Wi-Fi if you are having issues with the controller not connecting to Wi-Fi or not pairing with your devices, or if it's not responding or if it's otherwise not working. This is a good troubleshooting step. Also, if you just want to use it in a new environment and you just want to clear out all the previous Wi-Fi data, this will hard reset and clear all of the Wi-Fi data out of the unit. So all you need to do is come in here, and so you will need to set it up again after you do this because it will all be forgotten. But all you need to do is come in and hold this button, this function button, for 13 seconds. And after 13 seconds, all the lights will go off on the receiver, at which point you can let go. Turn it back on, and then you can set it up again and pair it with new devices, just like it were a new device coming out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching.